We want to assure Kenyans that we are going to continue and we are going to make sure that we deliver this document in a referendum. Kwa hivyo hiyo ingine mnasoma kwa gazeti, that is propaganda. It is not true. We are on. In fact, I normally even brief our principals every day, and so this is the wrong time to start those in fighting. Lakini ni wale watu hawataki tufike bahali tunataka kufika. So mimi nikimalizia ningetaka Kenya and especially Kenyans and our to Rigayan, I want you to be very focused, because this document is what is going to transform this country. This document is what is going to bring in the economic benefit that we are looking for. But there is no way you can have the economic benefit in a country, Janet, without the political stability. So we must be very focused. And we should be telling our people the truth. I know you have some economic challenges, but there is no way you are going to come out of your economic challenges, even me I have, without political stability. So we should be coming together and ensuring that going forward, we fight to ensure it does not matter kama tunachaguana, kama hatuchaguani.